Mom Hazel, clean and tidy. Dad Finn, fun. Kid Cat Sky, creative. Sky wanted a fort. Dad took it too seriously. Sky stacked pillows. Dad stacked a couch. Sky added blankets. Dad added the mattress. It became a castle. Mom walked in. Mom, where is my furniture? Sky peeked from inside the pillow fort. We're protecting the kingdom? Dad saluted. Your Majesty, this castle is secure. Boom! The whole fort collapsed in one fluffy avalanche. Everyone, if forts are the best invention ever, like and subscribe. Mom laughed. Now, let's build one together. Families that play together, stay together.